a 34-inch lace closure wig unit for you guys. This will be a quick install per usual. With the 5x5 closures, I feel like they're super quick, especially if you don't want to be bothered with frontals and having glue along your hairline and snatching your edges out and just the most. I would definitely suggest a 5x5 closure or even a 6x6 closure if you guys can get your hands on them. I feel like the bigger the closure, the better it can mimic a lace frontal wig unit. I decided to basically show you guys a little wave, just something small, light, not nothing major. I just wanted something light, you guys. And I also straightened this hair as well. I just wanted something really like nice and classy, you know, just something classy that goes with the shirt. This will also look really cute with like some hang earrings or such, but I just always wear my little diamond studded ones. So this is the wand curler here. My mom actually purchased this for me for Christmas. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Paul Mitchell curling wand. It also came with like some detachables, but this one here, if you guys could tell, it's skinny and then it gets wider at the top, and it's usually opposite. So I like this, and I like the ways that it created. It just gave me something flat at the top and then really big curls at the bottom, and I actually really like it. I think it's super cute, and I think that it came out extremely classy. I will see if I can find this on Amazon and link it down in my Amazon store. If not, I will link something similar, especially if it's like detachable and things like that, because you will get more for your buck. So this wig unit does come down to my hips when I stand up. Again, this is 34 inches, and that's not stretched, you guys. It's just where it lands, because I do have a little bit of a wave going on. So it does come down to my hips. I am 5'6". Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got this really nice install. I think it's really, really nice, you guys. It's not over the top, super sleek, classy look. I love it, absolutely. Let's go ahead and get into it. This wig unit is 34 inches. I'm not sure of the density, you guys, but it honestly doesn't seem like it's something like 250%. I will have to look in my emails to see what is the density of this wig unit, but it is 34 inches. Hopefully you guys are catching the length. And it is a 5x5 HD lace closure, and I have already went and plucked this wig unit, so that is what you see. I might have plucked it too much over here, but we'll see. We can finesse. So I'm not sure what I want to do with this wig today. I really don't know. I'm looking down so I can see my wig. So we have to do a middle part. We have to do a middle part because that's just what the wig is giving. So let's just go ahead and part it. The knots are bleached already, you guys. I just know how to like bleach the knots on the wig and also keep it looking like it's just been out of the packaging. So this hair is a 5x5 closure, you guys. So it goes 5 inches back, 5 inches wide, and the bigger the closure, the better it would mimic a frontal. This one will get the job done here or whatever, whatnot, as you could see. And I'm going to be doing this in a middle part today. I feel like if it was bigger, I probably could have finessed a side part, but we're going to do a middle part. So let's go ahead and begin. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. Bond. Now this one, I usually use the Ghost Bond Extreme, but this one is the regular Ghost Bond because this is what I was able to get at my local beauty supply store. So, and I needed it ASAP, so that's what I've been using. And you guys, it's like they've like upped the quality on it because it's literally like amazing. Like, I'm like, damn, my wig still isn't off. That's how it's been. So I'm gonna use this. Oh, that's too much. I do not need that much. Usually don't need that much, but here we are. How easily it's able to blend. That's amazing. That's amazing. So this hot comb is new. If I have not already told you guys, it's new. I love it. It's going to be in my Amazon store. It gets extremely hot. The other one I had was from Target and it was so trash. Oh my God. It was so trash, you guys. So I love this one. It gets so hot. It gets the job done. It heats up extremely quick. So if you are in the market for a new hot comb, see if you can try this one out, and it's affordable as well. But I just do not recommend you guys getting those ones from like the beauty supply store or Target, because mine was from Target. And I was like, why the hell would I buy a hot comb from Target? Like, Rebiana, why would you do that? Like, that was not even, it's not the thing to do at all. So I'm gonna try to clean up the parting. Like, it doesn't really need it. I could probably just go through with some foundation. And that's what I'm gonna do. Use some foundation with this angle brush that I have and just go down the part. Rub it in. Yeah. I even feel like how it looks right now, it looks really good. But I'm gonna put some baby hairs, but I think it looks so good, just like this. It doesn't need baby hairs. But I'm gonna see what I could do to cover up this here. bit of body. I showed you guys the straight option. Again, this hair is 32 inches, and if you can hear the weather, excuse that. It's just like pouring down right now. But anyways, I'm going to use this wand curler here to give my hair some life and body, because I really do not like straight hair on me, you guys. I really don't. Sometimes I do. It's just literally a hit and miss with me. But yeah, so I'm going to just put like a little bounce into it.